Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here today.
Yes, it's great to see you, David. How are you?
I'm okay. Thank you. Just a little tired.
Tired already? But it's only the afternoon.
I know. I had a really busy morning. You, Anna? How are you?
I'm great. I'm very, very happy today.
You're always happy, Anna. Why are you so happy today?
Well, I have my favorite coffee, a big, warm coffee.
Ah, that helps. I have tea. Green tea.
Green tea is very good too.
Yes. But Anna, before we start chatting, we should say hello to everyone listening.
Oh, yes. Everyone, welcome. We're so happy you're here with us.
And if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Key. It helps us keep making more fun conversations for you.
And if your friends are learning English, share this with them too. Maybe they'll enjoy it.
Yes, thank you. So, David,
Yes?
today we're just talking, right? No lesson, just a real conversation?
Exactly. This episode is just real English, a casual chat between friends.
I love that. Okay, so, Mr. Tired, why are you so tired?
Oh, work.
A hard day?
Yesterday, actually. Yesterday was a long day.
Really? What happened?
We had a big meeting.
A meeting with your boss?
Yes, with my boss, Mr. Henderson, and the whole team.
I don't like big meetings. They're always so long.
Yes, this one was 3 hours.
3 hours? Wow.
3 hours of talking, just talking and more talking.
Oh my goodness. Talking about what?
The boss wants a new report, a very big report, all about numbers.
Oh no. Numbers. I don't like numbers.
Me neither. I like words, but this report is all numbers, and he wants it by Friday.
But today is Tuesday.
Exactly. Not much time.
So you're all really busy.
Yes, the whole team is stressed.
Stressed? Oh no.
Yeah. And there's a little problem with people,
People?
my colleagues. You know Tom.
Yes, Tall Tom. Very funny guy.
That's him. Well, Tom is working with Sarah.
Sarah? I don't know her.
She's new. Very nice. Very quiet.
So, Tom is loud and Sarah is quiet.
Exactly. And they have to work together on this report.
Oh, I see where this is going.
Yeah. Tom talks a lot, and Sarah is very focused. She likes to work quietly.
So, Tom talks and Sarah works.
Basically. And yesterday, Sarah looked really sad.
Oh no! Why?
I think Tom said something. Maybe something not so nice. I'm not sure. I didn't hear it, but she looked really down.
Did she say anything?
Yes, she said Tom is difficult.
Oh dear. Work problems are the worst.
Yeah, I like Tom and I like Sarah. I just want everyone to get along.
Is Mr. Henderson, your boss, angry?
No, not at all. He's just really focused on the report. He doesn't see the problem.
He only sees the deadline.
Exactly. He just says, I need the report on Friday.
So, Tom and Sarah have to keep working together.
Yes, and guess what? I sit between them.
Oh, no, that's the worst spot.
Today at lunch, I ate alone.
Alone, but you usually eat with Tom.
I know, but today, Tom ate at his desk, and Sarah did too.
So the office was quiet?
Very quiet. Too quiet. I didn't like it.
Work is always better with friends.
Exactly. So, I have a plan.
A plan. Ooh, what is it?
I need your help.
Okay, what do we do?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, I'm going to buy coffee for Sarah. And maybe for Tom, too.
That's such a kind idea.
And maybe cookies.
Yes, cookies. People are always happy with cookies.
I'll go to that coffee shop on the corner. You know, the one with the big green sign?
Oh, yes. They have amazing chocolate cookies.
Perfect. Coffee and cookies for both of them.
That might help break the ice.
I hope so. I'll do it at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Before lunch. Good timing.
Let's hope it works.
You're a good friend, David.
Thank you. I just want a happy office.
And good luck with the numbers.
Oh, don't remind me. So many numbers.
Is it all math?
Yes, charts, sums, adding, subtracting. It's boring.
I'm bad at math.
Same. I'd rather talk.
Talking is easy. Math is hard.
Totally agree.
Okay, enough work talk. It's making me tired now.
Fair enough. So, Anna, you said you were happy. It wasn't just the coffee.
Nope. I have wonderful news.
Tell me.
My best friend Maria, she's getting married.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, she told me last night. I'm so excited.
That's fantastic. When's the wedding?
Next month?
That's really soon.
I know, but they're so happy. It's going to be a garden wedding.
A garden. That's beautiful. Flowers, trees.
Yes, but now I need to find a dress.
So you need a dress for the wedding.
Yes, a new dress. A beautiful dress. Something special.
Well, that sounds fun. Shopping time.
It's fun, but it's hard too.
Why hard?
I can't decide on the color.
What colors are you thinking about?
I like blue, but Maria loves green. Maybe I should wear green for her?
Green is perfect for a garden wedding. Flowers, grass, trees. It will match.
True, but blue looks good on me. I have blue eyes.
Then blue it is. A blue dress will look amazing on you.
Okay, blue or green. I still need to choose.
Long dress or short dress?
It's a garden wedding, so maybe a long dress. Long dresses feel elegant.
Yes, I agree. A long dress is perfect.
Okay, so maybe a long blue dress.
Nice. And what about shoes?
Oh no, more decisions.
Haha, yes. Shoes are important.
I can't wear heels. Not in a garden. They sink in the grass.
Ah, right. Heels and grass do not go together.
Exactly. So I need flat shoes. Comfortable, but still pretty.
Flats are a great idea. What color?
I don't know. Maybe white or silver?
Silver sounds classy. A little sparkle.
Ooh, silver flat shoes. I like that.
And a small silver bag?
Yes, that would match perfectly.
So your plan is long blue dress, silver flat shoes, silver bag.
That's the plan.
You'll look beautiful.
Thank you, David. See? Talking helps.
Always.
Now I just have to go shopping. I'll go to the big mall on Saturday.
Good idea. Lots of shops there.
Yes, but I have one more problem.
Oh no, what now?
I'm short.
You're not that short.
I am. And long dresses are always too long for me.
Ah, you'll need a tailor.
Yes, that's the word. A tailor. Someone to make the dress a little shorter.
Easy. First, find the dress, then visit the tailor.
Yes. Okay, I think I'll go with blue.
Good choice. What color are your aunts again?
Blue.
Then blue is perfect.
Okay, long blue dress, silver flats, silver bag. Now I'm excited.
You should be. It's a big, happy day.
Do you want to hear how Maria met Leo?
Yes, please.
It's a funny story. They met at the supermarket.
No way.
Yes, Maria was buying apples and Leo was buying oranges.
Apples and oranges. Okay, I'm listening.
Maria dropped the apples. They rolled all over the floor.
Oh no.
Maria helped her pick them up. He smiled and said, "Your apples are very red."
That's a line.
I know. Maria laughed, and they had coffee.
Ah, yes. Coffee again. Coffee starts everything.
It really does. And now they're getting married.
That's like a movie. So sweet.
I'm really happy for her.
You'll have to show me a photo when you buy your dress.
I will. I'll send it to you.
Okay, so this week you have wedding shopping.
And I have a boring report.
Yep. But also cookies and coffee for peacekeeping.
I hope it works.
Me too.
What will you do Friday night after the report?
I'll go home, take off my work clothes.
And put on pajamas?
Yes, my soft blue pajamas.
Blue again.
And then I'll sit on my big red sofa
That sounds nice.
and order pizza.
Ooh, pizza. What kind?
Pepperoni. Simple, classic.
Good choice. I love cheese pizza. Just cheese. Lots of cheese.
Pizza and pajamas. That's my plan. Maybe a funny movie too.
You deserve it. What about you? Saturday night, after shopping? Maria and I are going to dinner.
Nice. Wedding talk?
Of course! We're going to Luigi's, the little Italian place.
I love Luigi's. Their pasta is amazing.
Yes, the best pasta.
So, pizza for me, pasta for you. We love Italian food.
Yes, we do.
Well, that sounds like a good weekend for both of us.
Definitely. Oh, wow. Look at the time.
Already?
Yes, time flies when we talk.
It really does.
This was fun, David. I feel even happier now.
And I feel less tired. Thank you, Anna.
And thank you, everyone, for listening to us today.
Yes, thank you. That's all the time we have.
We hope you enjoyed this real English conversation.
And please don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Key
And click the like button if you had fun.
and share this podcast with your friends who are learning English too.
And we have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments, tell us, what did you do yesterday? Or what will you do this weekend?
We love reading your answers. In English, of course.
See you next time, Anna.
Bye, David. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.